My name's Matt and I am the surveyor here at the Holsworthy branch of Camel Glass. I've worked here for 11 years. So when I started at Camel, I started off on the fitting side of things as a fitter's mate, and sort of worked my way up to team leader, and then eventually onto surveying. And a lot of all of our surveyors in fact have come from sort of like a practical background, whether it's window fitting, shop front glazing, or sort of like really bespoke stuff in the joinery department. All of the surveyors have got a pretty good skill set to sort of act as sort of like middlemen between fitters and the management. So a surveyor, primarily we'd go out and we'd measure the windows and the doors and sort of assess sites for like health and safety, and just like the fitting side of it, just to make sure that all goes smoothly. And then we'd sort of come back, we'd write everything up, and then we'd liaise with like the installation department and the fitters and builders and customers, architects sometimes on the bigger build, to sort of just speak to everyone about all aspects of the job really. Holsworthy is unique because we've got the fabrication department, so you kind of on the leading edge when it comes to like the design of the aluminium frames, and we can work quite closely with the fabrication department and their designers and really make some interesting stuff. So if I was going to give a customer some advice before a survey appointment, it'd be sort of just have all the questions that they want to ask me. So sort of like the window designs, we'd finalise all the designs of the windows and the doors, and just anything like specific. If they got like a specific need, if they want their windows fitted at a certain time on a certain day or something, it's just now's the time to really speak about it. Very sort of. A good installation from a surveyor's point of view is really just a happy customer and a happy fitting team as well, really. I mean, we want the fitters to have a good working environment, and as surveyors we're sort of responsible for that. So we want everyone to enjoy their day's work, but also customers to have a good experience. So if everyone's happy and there's no complaints, then that's sort of a job well done for the surveyors really.